Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ashley, and this week I want to welcome you to Courtney's birthday vlog. So Courtney is going to be coming over tomorrow and she's going to be spending a few days with me. So I'm just going to record that, show you guys what we do, and right now I'm about to bake a cake for her 20th birthday. Alright, so what I'm attempting to do is, she doesn't know I'm baking her a cake, but I'm going to bake her a funfetti cake because it's her favorite, and I was torn between icing, so I think I'm gonna attempt to make a 2-layer cake. So I'm gonna put chocolate in the middle and then like a cream cheese frosting around it, and I even bought a bunch of rainbow sprinkles to put on top and some icing so I can like try to pipe happy 20th birthday. We'll see how this goes. I actually used to work at a bakery, but I didn't do any of the decorating stuff. Like I would help bake and stuff like that sometimes, but like the whole like icing and decorating, we'll see guys. So I'm actually gonna be mixing all of this in a pot because I have 2 mixing bowls. One of them is too small for cake, and then the other one we use as Soul's water bowl because it's big and she drinks a lot of water. So that's something I definitely need to purchase. I just have not yet. I have a whisk. I mean, like, I've got some of it going on, but oh, that one is ready. I literally think I just got a shell in there. Why? Like, literally, like, I rarely get shells in. But of course, because I'm on camera, like, it's like, ha. I hope I didn't. Well, if someone gets a crunch in their piece, we will know why. And we can't forget, best part is licking the batter. Alright guys, and the cakes are done. And don't you guys love when you're baking something and like the whole house smells like it? So like the whole house smells like funfetti cake and it smells so good. Alright, so we're gonna like let the cakes cool for a bit. I'm gonna probably go watch some YouTube videos and then we are going to ice them. Alright, so I feel like the icing is done to the best of my abilities. I think I did like pretty good. Like, I like the way it looks. I tried to get the edges as best as I could. That's why I have like the rack, that way like icing could kind of just fall through it. I've literally gotten sprinkles everywhere. Oh gosh. Alright, the part I am most nervous for is writing on it, because once I do that I can't go back, and I just feel like this is gonna be the hard part, and I don't have like an actual piping tip, so I'm like trying to figure out what to do. Alright, so I just got a plastic bag and put it through. I just felt like that nozzle was really big, so I'm gonna test it out on like in a plastic bag on a white plate and see how I write, so. Alright, so this is probably what my writing's gonna look like, but it'll do the job. That's my sad little happy. Alright guys, so this is how my piping turned out. Ooh. It gets a little wonky towards the end, but like, I think it's legible, maybe. I tried. Alright, so I was trying to figure out like how I'm gonna put this in the fridge since it's on like a rack right now, and I have like a cheesecake like from the store thing, so I'm gonna put it on that and put it in the fridge. I just have to figure out how I'm gonna get it on this. So I just don't want to like mess up everything I just did. I'm scared. Please don't break. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, I think I did it. I did it! That was terrifying. Alright. I made her cake! Alright guys, so the cake is in the fridge and now she just has to get here and we just have to hope that it tastes good. Alright, and then my last thing to get ready for tomorrow is I made a bunch of little paper signs that I'm going to hang up around the living room downstairs, because when her and I lived together, it was something that we did for each other and she did for everybody in the house. Is she would make little notes on their birthday and post them around the house, so I'm going to do that for her. And I also bought her tickets for a concert, Arctic Monkeys, so that's something that we're also going to be doing while she's up here. Alright guys, today is Sunday, and that means today is the day that Courtney is arriving. I'm about to go pick her up in like an hour, and I have some balloons that I'm going to have like laying out everywhere on the floor, so I have to finish blowing them up. I just forgot that like I put lipstick on, so it's probably going to get all over the balloons, and it's just going to have a little bit extra love. She made it! I tried to record, but when I saw her, but I couldn't because I was on FaceTime with her and then it wouldn't exit out, so it just didn't work out. It, so okay, well there we go. Balloons. I have one more surprise. Okay. Happy birthday! And I made it myself.
You did?
So we can eat this during our mukbang. So now Courtney and I are gonna go do a mukbang, and that video will be up, so make sure you watch it. We got the food. Hey guys.
Hey guys. Hey guys.
It's Monday? Yeah, it's Monday, and today we are just doing a chill mall day, and we're also debating whether to do a video or not.
Yeah, so we might be filming a video for you guys. We're filming a lot of videos for you guys, so. We're at the concert now.